Hello everyone. Today we are going to draw a heart that shows how we express our hearts out using art. So let's start with the sketch. First make a line over here like this, a curved line for the heart, and then another line like this. You have to follow the basic shapes that I'm making and connect one shape with the other. Now over here I make a curved line for the pipe, another line over here for the other pipe and join them this way, making the end of this pipe a pencil and adding double lines in the center as well. Now make this line doubled, add another line next to it over here. Next, refine these curves over here like this and here as well. Another curve on the other side. Now in this portion I'm going to add a pattern like this. Another one beside it and another one on this area. Now add veins over here. Now let's start adding the circles for the color. I make a circle, a small one like this, and make the line doubled from the left side. This way I make 4 circles over here. Now amongst these veins, draw a brush that is popping out of the heart like this. And it goes to the other side of the heart as well. Again over here I'll make a pattern like this. And from here I'll make a line for the other pipe of the heart. It starts from here and joins at this point. It also has a duct that opens on the upper side, and from this duct pops out a brush. There's another duct that I made, and over here I'll add the other brush. Another line for the pipe, and that's it. We are almost done with the sketch. Add paint that is dripping from the side of the heart as well. I'm making this point of the pencil a little longer so that it looks a little better. And that's it, we are done with the sketch. Now we will outline this picture using a black gel pen. Once you are done with the outlining, using an eraser, erase all the pencil lines that are present. Now let's start with the coloring part. I'm starting with red color and I will fill all the areas that require this color, and then I'll switch over to the next color. are coloring, make sure that the left side of the given area is dark, and as you move towards the right, it becomes lighter. Dark. Goes for this pipe as well. Now we'll use sky blue color for the paint on the brush and the other areas of the other brush. I'll use brown color for this area over here. Notice how it's dark where this pipe joins the heart, and it's light as it moves away from it. Next, use pink color for the other part of the heart. And again, as you can see, one side I have darkened it up so that it makes the picture a little 3D. It makes the heart look a little 3D. Similarly, I'll color this area in middle tone as well. And from here, I'll add a dark stroke like this and then blend it with the base again, forming a three-dimensional look. Notice how from the outline, I have also left a middle tone of line here. That is also very important. This is called reflected lines. It makes the thing look a little four-dimensional. Next, we'll color the inner part of the circle, that is the double line that we created, with red color, and the circle will be filled with different shades of color. Start with orange, then I'll proceed to violet, and I'll add green color over here. And then violet again. Now let's color the paintbrush. The bristles of the brush are colored in yellow. The paint on it is purple and the stick of the brush is in light blue. So over here, using orange color, I color this area. Now by using shades of blue, I color this pencil. One line will be dark, one line light, and the last line dark again. Now color the front portion in orange again. The paint dripping from the heart in light blue color. Now take your black sketch pen and color the stripe on the pencil using it. Also color the tip of the pencil, that is the graphite that is peeking out. Using the same sketch pen, draw these highlights and fill this area in black. And that's it. We are done with our picture.